Hi, this gig is about Auto Calculative Invoice in Microsoft Excel. In this video, you will get an idea how invoice works, what you will get in the basic standard premium pack. To see the invoice design, please check the gig PDF or stay on the video. In the basic pack, you will get a invoice design like this, and you can choose any of them from the gig video or the gig PDF. You will get this macro button and you have to input this information, and the other information will be automatically calculated. In the standard pack, you can get a invoice design like this, and you can choose any of them from the gig video, and you will get this macro button. This information you can choose by drop down list, and the drop down list will be connected with product list. In the premium package, you will get this macro button, the product list data sheet, where all the data will be input and all the data will be pop up in your invoice when you input a invoice number.